You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase, the name of this composition. If you want to learn how to pronounce the name of the composer himself, stay tuned. I've got a video for you you'll want to listen to, but let's focus on how it's pronounced. Canon, not Canon. Canon, it's from German. Canon, I think it's the German pronunciation. And Gigue, this one is from French. It's a French dance, originally a type of dance music. Gigue, so canon and gigue. It's canon and gigue. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.